happy birthday to you. I wish you happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. ये रंग लाए मेरी मन्नतें, पूरी हो तेरी सभी हसरतें, सारे जहां की खुशी हो तेरी, अब तो यही आरज़ू है मेरी। एक इशारे पे तेरे मैं जान लुटा दूंगा, तेरे ख्वाबों को हकीकत मैं बना दूंगा। I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, what a wonderful performance. Let us give them a big round of applause.
Also, Sri Vidya also wishing her very, very happy birthday.
We are very excited to get this opportunity, sir.
Me too.
Sir, can we start?
Yes.
Sir, how it feels to be a chairman of a prestigious institution that has achieved a milestone of 30 years?
Oh, yes. To be a chairman or head of a school is not a small thing. It's a huge experience. Like if head of a family is a father who has complete responsibility of the whole house, the children, the mother, wife, parents, etc. So as a head of a school, head of a family of Paramita, I feel very nostalgic, extremely excited, and inspired by the students, teachers and everyone. So as a head, especially first I should know, every head should know that I should not make mistakes. Number one, I should set a good example for others. Number two. Number three, I should not tell lies and speak only the truth. Number four, I feel that we should give each child great space to grow in this world. So and every teacher to grow, every other employee to grow. So as head of the Paramita group of schools, when we started, it was just 250 students in 1996. Now it's about 4,800 students and 4,800 great souls, teachers 450, other employees 200. So around 5,500. We are creating a mini world within the world, because our education is completely different. We are different from others. We don't copy others. We give ideas to others. We copy good things from others, but we don't copy bad things. So as head of the school, I only want purity, excellence in everyone, including me. Even today, I read a lot. I learn a lot, because we should not become arrogant of our own knowledge, our own bodies. If you are humble, if you are simple, if you are honest, I think definitely you will feel happy about it, so all the students can grow tall in the world.
Sir, if you are a student in the school today, what things would you be the most excited to learn or to do?
To do. If I were the student, because this sentence structure is good, important. If it's an imagination, you say, if I were the student, I were the student of the school, I would, you also think like this, all of you, I would stay here at my own will, not because somebody has put me here. Number one. Number two, I start loving the school, loving the surroundings, loving the people around me. I make friends with everyone. I make collaboration in learning with everyone, teachers, students. And I give ideas to the school for the school to grow. I give ideas to my friends so that my friends can grow. I desist from all wrongdoings in the hostel and in the school. I will be the purest of the boy if I'm in 8th or 9th, if I were to be in 8th or 9th grade. Then I would plan and design my work schedule, how I do. I will prepare my objectives for the year and next 2 years if I were to be a 9th grade student. And I would advise the principal and teachers that inclusion of these things, these activities will be helpful to me. Why don't you please include? I will also tell the people not to be indisciplined, and I myself will fit into disciplinary norms of the school. So if I fit into disciplinary norms of the schools, I can grow very, very well. So as a student, I want to be very innovative, as a student, as a thinker, and very practical as a doer, activities as a doer. And I want to enjoy every minute of the schooling. I don't want to be told by other teachers, why are you doing this? I don't give any chance to anyone. I don't want to give, because I'm not an animal. I'm a conscious student. So I don't want to be repeatedly told by people, do this homework, why didn't you do it? I will not give chance to anyone because I will be ahead of my time. I will be ahead of my time. When I'm in 9th grade, I will have the knowledge of 10th and 11th grade. That's what I will do.
What do you think has stayed the same in the school since the beginning and you are glad it has not changed?
So what changed? Paramita, children, teachers, principals, directors, me, even parents also. We feel that we invite change. Your body also changes. Your mind changes. Ideas change. But we always go for positive changes. We invite them, welcome them, embrace them. We welcome them. So wherever it is, progressive thing, idea or ideology, we welcome it. Where it leads to development, we welcome it. I welcome it. Where it does help a child, I welcome it. Where it does help the learning community, teaching community, I welcome it. So I will do it. What I don't want to change, is, and also that learning from mistakes, I don't want to change. I want to learn from my mistakes, number one. If I make a mistake, I don't mind saying apologies to anyone. I don't want to say not this way, that way. I don't want to be logical. I want to apologize very, very honestly and sincerely to the person where I have done a mistake. That's number two. Number three, what I don't want to change is that schools should be built on the principles of honesty, truth and values. We will not copy in the examinations in 10th class. This is the only school. And I will not change this because no student of Paramita World School or any group, we will not change the policy of going for a malpractice or copying, number one. And I will not change because we learn through projects, activities. And in schools, what they do, shortcut methods, learn by heart and write in the examination. And I don't want to change that. We need to go deep, spend more time to learn than easy shortcut solutions. That will not help us in our life. If you want to go to the top of the world, if I compromise today, and all children's lives will be lost if the teachers compromise. So we want, Srikar told me that this is completely planned by the students. That's good. You should plan everything. Take the help of the teachers. Every celebration you need to plan. That we don't want to change. Discipline you need to plan. Everything, including menu also can be decided. We can have it on Monday, Tuesday like this. Sports, everything you decide. and how much percentage I want to get, you decide and go for it. So what I will not change, the school will not lie. I will not change that. The school will speak only the truth, number two. The school will love all the children and all the teachers and all the employees, number three, that we will not change. And we will not hurt anyone. We will not hurt anyone, even an animal. That's, I don't want to change as far as the school is concerned.
Sir, like an ordinary person, having so many ups and downs in your life, how did you ever feel like giving up or wonder if you are in the right path? What helped you keep going?
Good. First, I failed in my 10th class. 10th class, I failed in 10th class. Then they gave grace marks and passed. Then in degree, I failed. In degree, one subject, economics, I failed. In B.Ed, I failed in one subject. So my life was full of failures in my education. But I was not scared because we came from village. In village, they were all Telugu medium schools, no English. But then I was desirous of going for English in degree. I went for English medium in degree. Nobody told me, it was my inner call. But I did well except one subject. So the courses were full of failures, but my spirits never failed. So every time I failed, I started learning new things again and again and again. And on the failures, I built the success mantra. The success mantra is that I will not get disappointed if I fail. I learn why I failed, then I build my own future. This is number one. Even as school, we failed initially. When we started Paramita High School in 1996, only 250 students came, but then 50 parents want to remove from the school. Why? They were getting only 20, 30 marks. In other schools, they were getting 80, 90 marks. Then we told them, no, this is the standard of your children. This is the original standard. What they were getting was not the original standard. This is how they need to develop. Some parents were happy, they kept the children. 20, 30, they were not happy, they took the children away. But we didn't compromise on the quality of education. We didn't compromise. In the first year, nobody will lose children, but I lost 30 children. But then for 30 years, Paramita grew, learning. Today, Paramita is known in Finland, England. 3,000 students of Paramita in America, Germany, Italy, Australia, everywhere. Standard, a failure in degree and B.Ed can create IAS officer. Sai Krishna is IAS officer from Paramita High School. Praveen is SP in Rajasthan from Paramita High School. So you may fail and fall, but you can always get up. Okay?
Chairman means having a lot of responsibility, meeting people, making big decisions, and always busy. It can even get stressful at times. In such a busy life, how do you manage to stay fair to everyone, remain humble, and stay true for your values?
So that's good. It's a good question. All the questions are good. You prepared your homework very well. It is not only for me, for every one of us. So to be humble is not simple. Nowadays, ప్రపంచం అంతా ఎట్లా ఉందంటే కొంచెం డబ్బు రాగానే గర్వం, కొంచెం అందంగా ఉంటే గర్వం, కొంచెం సక్సెస్ అయితే గర్వం. ఆ గర్వంతో ఏమవుతుందంటే మనుషులు పడిపోతారు. గ్రోత్ విల్ స్టాప్. సో ఇంటెలిజెంట్గా ఉన్నా, రిచ్గా ఉన్నా, అందంగా ఉన్నా, అందంగా అంటే శారీరకంగా కాదు, మానసిక అందం కూడా కావాలి. ఈ అన్నీ ఉన్న తర్వాత కూడా ప్రతిరోజు నిత్య విద్యార్థి అయితే ఆ చైల్డ్ విల్ గో లైక్ ఈవెన్ టీచర్స్ ఆల్సో, మీ ఆల్సో, వీఆర్ ఆల్ డైలీ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఎవ్రీ మినిట్ వీఆర్ లర్నర్స్. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి హంబుల్. ఇఫ్ యూ నో దిస్, say that I know this. If you don't know this, I'm sorry, I don't know this. I will learn and let you know. There's nothing wrong. Not that we should know everything in the world. It's impossible for a 80-year man, 90-year man who lives to know everything. He may learn a fraction of the knowledge that is there in the universe. There are thousands of branches, disciplines. Even in one discipline, we know fraction 0.00001%. So, but only the thing is, a man as long as he lives, student as long as he studies, only one thing is that endless thirst for acquiring knowledge, quality knowledge, pure knowledge, that is, and in an innovative way, that should be the spirit. And that is how I followed this, and we never compromised anywhere. The children loved it. Some parents did not like this. We convinced them. Now all parents understand why Paramita students are different. They are fearless, they are confident, they can communicate easily without preparation. That is because of the Paramita systems and Paramita staff members.
Person, how would you describe its character and personalities after 30 years of life?
In the school,
One person.
yes. The school were a person is an imaginary question. If the school were a person, I would only say this. The school was a small toddler when it was born in 1996. Please listen carefully. And the school was born, of course, the toddler was born with some weaknesses, with some diseases, with some problems, with some challenges. But the toddler started growing, falling, failing, getting up, learning, getting confidence, getting energy. So the school as a boy or as a girl started blooming, not artificially, but in a natural way, through effort, through focus, through effort and focus. If there are two things are there, focus and effort, children, then nobody can deny success. Are we putting enough focus and effort? If these two things are there, followed by self-belief, yes, I feel I can, I feel I can do it. That self-belief. If these three things are there, every thing in the universe, even God, people will support you to grow and to be successful. So this 30-year grown-up adult of this school is full of positive qualities, full of positive energy, full of great hope, and full of futuristic vision, and full of direction, and full of values, principles, morals, and ethics, and full of innovative principles and ideas and ideologies, and full of working in a free space. This school believes that if the children are free to think, to act, to read, to play, to sing, to dance, and the school welcomes that. So this 30-year-old adult school is an open school. It gives freedom to everyone to grow and to become one day something big.
Like types of questions like short answer, long answer. Now we are going to start rapid fire round. You are going to answer in one word or in one sentence.
Okay.
What is your favorite subject in school?
Favorite subject in school, when I was in the school, my favorite subject was English.
One book every student must read.
One book every,
Student must read.
okay. The monk who sold Ferrari. The monk who sold his Ferrari. Ferrari is a costly car. Monk is sannyasi who sold his Ferrari car. In that you will find all life's values, you can read that. And Abdul Kalam's book also you can read. Wings of Fire. You can read that in this book.
Sir, what matters more, education or experience?
Educational life gives experiences, but experiences, most people go by experience. Experience, okay, to some extent, 10-20%, but if you want to, for example, yesterday's experience is yesterday. If you want to make only on yesterday's learning experience, you may not learn naturally today. You can take experience to some extent, but in the present moment, if you feel free, think freely, act freely, think innovatively, come out with ideas, in the present moment, I feel that is more important than the experience. Number one, all the boys and girls, even teachers also, if you have painful experiences, start forgetting them. If you have good experiences, start recalling them. But don't live in the past. If you live in the past, lot of pain will be there. Forget about the past and don't worry about future also. Future brings you worry, past brings you pain. Forget both past which gives you pain and future which gives you, if I may not get the marks, don't worry about that. Do your best and leave it to nature. It will give you the best solution.
What makes our school different from others?
You cannot, others, want to, they all go on one road, but Paramita takes another road. The road not taken. We are not afraid of taking big decisions. We are not afraid of taking innovative calls. Risky. We are ready for change. Others are not ready for change. We are ready for change. We are ready to jump into the ocean and swim. We are not scared. And we want to experiment. We want to do research. Because so many tools are there. Grip, tag, so many things are there. LLA, Language Learners Academy. No school in Telangana is doing it except your Paramita schools. That's why we are different. We want the ranks from the children to get more admission, but we want the child to get the rank. We don't want you to get the rank for the school. We want you to think and grow into that rank, but we don't force. We will only help you do that. That's the difference. Class 10 students, yes. First point is remove all the stress. First, remove all the stress. Number 2, believe in yourself. Complete total belief. Number 3, please remember, if you have a phobia, fear of any subject, the fear has to go out. If you have any problem, I will give you one technique to come out of the fear. If you have math problem for 10 years, it can be solved in 5 minutes. No problem at all. Nothing to worry. And 4, please, this is called passport examination. And you need to keep focused. This 10th standard, if you do it well, 11th onwards, it will be a beautiful voyage. And you will finally end up somewhere in America, Japan, Germany, Delhi, Hyderabad, wherever, in a big company. You may start a company, because I went to, one past student invited me. He was there in about 17 years ago. He started his own company. He's in America, there's a company. And he asked me to light the lamp. That boy is only now 35 years. The value of the company is $100 million. That is around 900 crores. 900 crores. Can you imagine? 35-year-old boy. You all can become that. Not that you will go for a job. You can go for that. You will achieve that. Only the thing is that it's all complete dedication. Total dedication. If I had not totally dedicated, today we would have given only some dirty education. Only parents will get marks and you will be happy, they will be happy. Finally in the world, when you go there, you will fail. That dirty education we don't want to give children. Because every child is precious. We love every child, every boy, every girl. Nobody should fail, everyone can. Role
Model in your life.
A role model, you can be, why should you can take others as role model, but you can become a role model. Why can't you become a role model? What you say, you do. What you do, you say. What you feel, you say. What you say, you feel. Don't say something, do something else. A role model, you can take one role model, but his qualities are more important. Someone you can take some Sachin as a role model, Virat as a role model, Dhoni as a role model, some other Tata as a role model, Dr. Abdul Kalam as a role model, so Amitabh Bachchan as a role model, but try to copy their qualities and build them into your life. Then you become that kind of a character. Message for our teachers is accept the children as they are. Accept the children as they are and help them grow. Love each child. Don't discriminate between the children. All children are same, equal. We should not love some children more, some children less. We should give, if the children fail, we should give them hand. If the children want support, we should give them support. And we should look into their eyes and talk. We should understand them and then if you go close to them, one day they will remember after 10, 20 years, yes, this teacher has really helped me in my life. So when I was invited to Hyderabad to light the lamp, he remembered, sir, I remember two teachers, one Murugesh Babu, biology teacher 25 years ago. I invited both of them. So you may invite those teachers who impacted your life.
Sir, one school tradition you want to preserve forever.
School tradition,
You want to preserve forever.
keep your research open, innovation open, keep your values intact, and keep your, exploration of learning very open. Okay? Now it should be done. Very well done. So to conclude, I don't have to say anything. Already my speech is covered. Questions are brilliant. Children did. This is how it should be. Instead of speeches, you made it very creative. I'm really happy about it. So God bless all of you. Love your life. Love yourself. Love others. Don't hate anyone. Let's not hate others. Let us reduce the anger, reduce the errors, reduce the lies, increase the truth, and increase hard work and increase focus. After 10 years, we will see most of you planted across the world. So God bless all of you for all the love and care.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you for accepting our invitation very first to coming to the Paramita World School. For that, very big thankful to you, sir. And at the same time, everybody is very fortunate here. And I think definitely there will be a soul connection to this Paramita World School and particularly Prasad Rao sir garu. So I think without that, we could not join here by known or unknown any means. Those who are working from different places, they are very fortunate, a great opportunity for them to learn many more. And for the students and the parents, those who have researched for all the schools, which school is a better, so that for my child will become a better future citizen. So for them, knowing all these things and joining their kids in trusting the Paramita, and at the same time, we are very fortunate and happy for a great leader under your visionary leadership, sir, and your dedication to the education and a commitment to excellence really inspires us every day and every minute, every moment. Keeping all those in our mind, we will move forward, sir. As you said, leaving the past and forgetting of the future, but living the present is a very excellent fact. That is, what we do is, it becomes experience tomorrow. It becomes, when we look back, that experience should give us a good, fruitful results. Based on that, we need to continue, put our best efforts. Once again, I pray on behalf of all Paramita staff, teaching, non-teaching, and parents, pray Lord Venkateshwara to give a abundant joy, good health, wealth, and prosperous, and to celebrate like many more happy birthday wishes, sir. Thank you, sir, once again.
So thank you all the teachers, all the staff, all the PETs, computer department, dance, music, front office, hostels, mess staff, security, attenders, all class 4, everyone. IMS, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank